Did you see what Starbucks just did? They turned a giant wall in LA into a protein walkthrough to launch lattes and cold foam drinks packed with 27 to 36 grams of protein. The demand for protein-based products is at an all-time high. The global functional protein market is set to triple from $8 billion in 2023 to $28 billion by 2032. And here's the interesting part. Brands aren't just bragging about grams, they're highlighting what it does. It gives you energy, keeps you full, and promotes muscle health. That's protein function marketing. With 8 out of 10 Americans trying to include protein in their diets, this trend is working. Shoppers from gym goers to seniors are looking for products that actually do something for their lifestyle. And protein is no longer just powders. It's in bars, chips, RTD shakes, and even coffee. Pure Protein rolled out Fruity Pebbles bars, Quest made cookies and baked goods. It's protein but snackified. Brands now tailor messaging, satiety for Weight Watchers, mobility for older adults, recovery for athletes, and on-the-go energy for Gen Z. Same macro but different functions. Don't just sell protein, sell what it means for the person buying it. That's the playbook.